Good day, friends. I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to prepare stuffed bell pepper. I'm using 3 different colors of orange, red, and yellow. So what we need to do is to cut the bell peppers into 2 equal halves. Now what we are supposed to do is to get rid of the seeds and also the white parts inside. So we dig that out, and also we cut the stem if it is too long. Now we are preparing the inside so that we can add the stuffing in. I have another video about bell pepper dolma, which is a stuffed bell pepper, but that is a dish. It's not. This one is appetizer. Now, as you can see, I've got 2 halves ready. I'm going to do the rest off the camera and get back to you when I'm done. Now we are going to put a piece of parchment in a baking tray, and then put the bell peppers on top of it, and keep it aside for when we have our stuffing ready. We boil a potato. This is a large potato that I've boiled and also got rid of the skin, and now I will mash it. So put that aside for now. What else we need to use is some chopped onion, some chopped mushrooms. These are white mushrooms that I've chopped into small pieces. We also need mozzarella and cheddar cheese that is shredded, some chopped fresh garlic, and some ginger paste. Now we prepare the spices that we need. So we are going to use half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. If you like it spicy, instead of black pepper you can add red pepper as much as you like, or chili pepper. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of mixed aromatic herbs that I've prepared. You can have a look at the description. I've given you the herbs that I've used. And also we are going to use a tablespoon of breadcrumbs. Now our spices are also ready. We are going to put a wok on a stove and add the cooking oil to it. And when it's warm enough, we are going to add the onions. When onions get a little softer and start turning colors, we will be adding the chopped fresh garlic, and also ginger paste. But you can also use chopped ginger, fresh ginger, or ginger powder, whichever you like. I prefer the paste. And now we mix them together. And we are going to add the mushrooms. Wait for the mushrooms to get softer. Now we are going to add our spices. And mix everything. Now I'm going to add half of the mashed potatoes and look at the proportion. If I needed more, then I eat some more. Now we add half of it. So it looks fine. We are going to add the other half as well. And mash and mix everything. I'm not testing for salt, and if salt is not enough, we're going to add a little bit more, but this is fine right now. Now we are going to add the stuffing into the peppers. We preheat the oven to 180 centigrade, approximately 350 Fahrenheit, and then put the bell peppers on the middle rack of the oven. And we are gonna leave it there for about 20 minutes, but we keep watching through the window. Now I bring it out, and we are going to add our mixture of shredded mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Make sure you cover the whole top, and then put it back into the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes. Now our bell peppers must be ready, so we bring them out of the oven and put them in a serving dish. And add some lemon for garnish. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and have a wonderful day.